Hey everyone, so I just finished my paragliding course yesterday and I wanted to head somewhere else other than beer billing. So I was confused about it, but a friend of mine, Vikas, had suggested me to go to this awesome place, Rajgundha. So Rajgundha, I've heard it every day at beer because it's close to it, but never planned to go because I assumed it would be just a trek. But I came to know there's a beautiful hostel by Zostel in the middle of the valley, and it's so amazing. I'll show you in a few minutes. So to go to Rajgandha, the easier way would be to take a cab from Beer, and it would take a really long time, which I've indicated with the white line. But you can also take a trek from the Billing paragliding site, which I've indicated in yellow dots. So this trek, it's not really a trek, it's just a trail. Actually, the road is being built here. So if you go by walk, it'll take you around 4 to 5 hours. But you can hire a taxi or take your own car, but it depends on your own risk because this road is partially built now, as you can see in the video. So yeah, I've decided to hitchhike in one of the paraglide vehicles that go till the top of the Billing and then take a trek to Rajgandha. So I couldn't find anyone who could give me a lift till the Billing side because it was raining on that day. But luckily, I found someone on that
ये
day.
है अनु जी और इन्होंने मुझे आज लिफ्ट दिया। आज मौसम ख़राब था बट ये मुझे लकीली मिल गए और थैंक यू।
ओके भाई।
So Rajgundha is around 3 hours from the Billing takeoff site, and I've just got started. और winds काफ़ी strong है, you can see here. So ये इतने तेज़ी से उड़ रहा है and ये बिलिंग का पीक है। यहाँ से पूरा बिलिंग और टेक ऑफ साइड दिखता है। तो अभी मुझे यहाँ कुछ लोग दिखे एंड इनका टायर पंचर हो गया। और इन्होंने बोला मुझे लिफ्ट दे देंगे। वैसे और 3-4 किलोमीटर का रास्ता है बट मुझे जल्दी भी पहुँचना है। आई नीड टू स्टार्ट माई वर्क, तो मैं आई थिंक लिफ्ट दे दूँगा इनको। अच्छा, मुर्गी की लीट,
मुर्गी का बीट
हाँ।
So basically, I was sitting on chicken shit, but as it was dried, I was okay sitting on that, and I had no other option, so I went along. So for me, it was a different Anubhav altogether, talking to these locals and understanding their lives. So yeah, it was fun in that way. And the roads got quite adventurous. At some places, I had even more thrill than my paragliding flight. So yeah, it was fun in that way. So finally, I've reached Rajgundha, so you can see how beautiful this is.
So I'm almost here. Hey guys. तो मुझे काफ़ी लोग दिख रहे हैं यहाँ और बहुत अच्छी कनेक्टिव है। आई मीन व्हाई नॉट। ये कुछ नेचुरल स्विमिंग पूल दिख रहा है। वाह, इसमें मछलियाँ हैं। मछलियाँ हैं इसमें। ओह नाइस।
मुझे लगा स्विमिंग पूल है बट इसमें मछली है। तैर सकते हैं क्या इसमें भैया? तैरने के लिए है क्या ये?
मछली,
सिर्फ मछलियों के तैरने के लिए?
हाँ मछली तैरने के लिए पानी में।
पिछले जन्म में मछली था शायद। एंट्रेंस इधर से। ठीक है। तो यहाँ दिस इज हॉस्टल राजगुंडा। ये कॉमन एरिया है। माय वर्क प्लेस फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीक। Isn't it awesome?
They even have a fucking glass window sitting. What else do you need to come to this place?
So this is my dorm room. I'm at Zostel Rajgundha. काफी cool जगह है।
Oh my god, just look at the view from the bathroom window. It's so amazing. People now are so bored at home that they just post anything from their window. I mean, just look at the views. That's so amazing that I even spotted a rainbow. If this doesn't make you come here, what else would?
So he is Ajay Devangan, one of the most cheerful persons I met on the trek and also a good singer too.
उससे मिले हुए मुझको तो अरसा हो गया।
ये कुत्ता भाग क्या है गाना?
पहाड़ों में
आजा आजा।
हो गया। उससे मिले हुए मुझको तो
आजा।
अरसा हो गया। बंगला जहर हाजिर हो, हुक्म की तामील हो।
So guys, this kind of fun we used to have every day, but sadly I didn't record most of them because मैं काफ़ी इंडल्ज हो गया था इन एक्टिविटीज़ में, so इसीलिए मैं एक रैंडम वीडियो डाल रहा हूँ। बट या इट वाज फन एंड हम रोज़ ऐसी बकचोदियाँ करते थे, so काफ़ी अच्छे से मेरा टाइम स्पेंड हो गया था उधर। And twice during my stay in Rajgundha, I saw snowfall. Snowfall is not new to me because I have been to Gulmarg and sees huge amount of snow. But yeah, it was interesting to see snowfall in summer in the Himachal. So on my last day before leaving, I just went to the Palachak trek, which is the base camp for Thamsa Pass, and also had interesting conversations with Jay Prakash and Satvik. And this trek is an easy trek. It would take you around 3-4 hours, but the road is built already and it's completely flat throughout the way. And at the end of the trek you would see a flat knoll between the mountains, which was quite interesting. And also I had chance to see a rustic bridge which was supposed to be a straight line, but it became like a shape of a U over the time, and it was a bit scary to walk on that. But yeah, I had fun in that too.
और ये स्पेशल निंजा टेक्निक से खुदाई। ऑलमोस्ट रीच्ड पलाचक। तो ये गांव मतलब छोटे से घर दिख रहे हैं, यहीं पे है। तो अभी शायद और आधा घंटा लगेगा, देखते हैं। और व्यू काफ़ी मस्त आ रहा है, नीचे पानी बह रही है, बहुत ठंडी हवा चल रही है, पानी का बहाव भी बहुत तेज है। अभी पलाचक में एक और मंदिर है एंड कौन से देव के? अच्छा पर हाँ, मैंने एक और इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ देखी, वो है कि यहाँ कुछ इन्होंने घर बना रखे हैं जो सिर्फ पत्थर के बल पे है एंड इसमें कुछ सीमेंट नहीं लगा हुआ है, विच इज़ अमेजिंग। यहाँ और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है, सिर्फ मैगी मिल रही है। लकीली ये भी मिल गया, वरना मुश्किल था। तो फाइनली मैं ब्रांच फ्लावर तोड़ पा रहा हूँ। ये ऐसे दिखता है। चलो।
So guys, मैंने एक और इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ देखी, that is people age here differently. So assume this was his brother, but actually he was his father, who was 39 years old. So after that we started to head back and we reached Zostel again in another 2-3 hours. So thank you guys for watching the full video and staying till the end. And please take care of yourselves and your family as the COVID virus has started spreading again.